going to see how we can create a very beautiful and realistic photo shoot of different products with just 2 minutes with the help of AI prompts and different AI tools. Yeah. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे हमने बॉर्नविटा का फोटोशूट करवाया है. I have 2 images for the same. Okay, so first step that you have to do is to go on the Google and download the products related to Bonvita. Any random photos you can download whatever you want to. मैंने यहाँ पे 5 products download कर दिए हैं photos. Fine. The second step is to go on Gemini and you can create a new chat. Upload the images जिसको आपका photoshoot आपको बनवाना है. Okay, so that's how I have uploaded all the images जिसका मुझे photoshoot चाहिए. आप कोई भी products ले सकते हो. After doing that, click on this plus and create image. Check it. Now it's ready to go. Second step is to go on ChatGPT and ask for provide Bonvita photoshoot prompt for Gemini. It's very simple. आपको कुछ भी coding नहीं करना है, कुछ भी extra efforts नहीं डालना है. You just have to ask. Just copy the first one. You can copy any. मैंने first one लिया है. Click on this and send. It will take less than a minute to generate a photo for you. As many images you want, you can create freely. Yeah, so just wait for the outcome. Okay, so in the description, I'm going to give you the ways, the steps, and along with that, I'm going to give you the prompt which you can use to download the prompt from the ChatGPT or copy the prompt from the ChatGPT. Yeah, so you see, oh my God, wow. You see now it's been designed so beautifully. Yeah, so that's how we can do it for any product. Thank you so much. If you're liking this video, we can have the more videos like this. Thank you.